Need a Facebook marketing course that can drive leads to your business? Get our free Facebook marketing course from Global Social Media Marketing by filling in the form below and setting up a phone call with us to discuss your current Facebook marketing strategy and how your business generates leads. Our proven Facebook marketing course is based on our learnings from the Facebook Blueprint certification and our 9 years of social media marketing experience with clients across 20 industries on 3 continents in multiple languages. In our course, you will learn how to do things such as create a Facebook likes campaign that creates a targeted fan base for your fan page, how to optimize and create content that moves those fans into customers, as well as how to create Facebook lead ads that generate highly qualified leads based on data targeting that we do on Facebook that drives sales for your business. So please fill in the form below, guys, and sign up for our course today.